Well, good evening, and thanks for coming out and braving the cold elements. It's a Monday night, and it's not spring quite just yet, but we will get started, and we will have our third annual Night of Percussion. And so this year's percussion ensemble group has been working on a variety of different pieces, and that's one thing I always like about the group is we don't stick in one genre or one medium. We spread out and branch out and try to explore new ground. Our first piece, The Gilded Cage, is a quartet for percussion, and we actually purchased this last year, and we were running through it, and we just didn't really have the time to pull it off, and so we tabled it to this year. And so here's the program notes from the composer Susan Powell. The Gilded Cage was written in 1998 for the Northwestern Doctoral Percussion Quartet's European appearances in Würzburg, Germany, and at the Rhythm Sticks Percussion Festival in London, England. The title is a combination of two separate sources: the 19th century popular song, The Girl in the Gilded Cage, and the 20th century percussion ensemble work, Third Construction by John Cage. He's a very familiar American composer for percussion. There are numerous influences from Cage's notable piece, including an early quote of the opening theme. Here divided between the four performers and played on toms, the Cage theme is further exhibited in the way the performers create a consistently evolving visual cage with their sticks. Ladies and gentlemen, The Gilded Cage. rhythmic figures over top of each other. Each person had quarter note triplets over eighth note triplets and 16th note triplets and 5-lits and 7-lits. And if you're a musician, you know that that's never easy to clean. One thing I forgot to point out is I'd like to thank my mechanic over in Galesburg, Big E, Irv. He gave us all the brake drums. So obviously those are not a percussion instrument. And we do own one here at the school, but it calls for 4. So I called over there one time, getting an oil change, and he said I could just have them, and so I'll probably just give them back because I'm tired of picking them up. They're heavy. But that was the Gilded Cage. Next up is Emily. She sat over there and watched the other guys, and now it's her turn to star here. Emily is a junior music major. She's also a vocalist, and she is missing a dress rehearsal over in Galesburg tonight, so she's not too sad about that. But this weekend they have a huge Masterworks concert with Monmouth Roseville High School, also with the Galesburg Community Chorus over at Central Congregational Church there in Galesburg, that huge old historic church on the square. They are doing a major music work by Vaughn Williams, and then they'll be going to Carnegie Hall after graduation. So this is a concert for a concert, but she is a musician who plays the piano and loves the vibraphone, and so she is going to be playing an actual original piece of music that was composed by senior composition major Sean Klink. So this is Emily on the vibraphone. bring up Ozzy, or Oscar Diaz, as he is rightly called, and he missed a great recital Saturday night. Ozzy had his first junior half recital Saturday evening, and it was phenomenal. He played a lot of standard repertoire, as he is a music performance major and plans to go to grad school after finishing Monmouth next year. And so we're on the course of getting his recitals and programs out to other schools for grad school. But Ozzy is going to play on this awesome 5-octave Rosewood marimba that we have. He's going to be playing a piece called Yell After the Rain, and it is very standard repertoire. I played it in college, and I'm sure most percussion students have played this. This was written by Mitchell Peters, who just passed away early October of last year, and so we were at PASIC for Indianapolis, and they were doing a concert for Mitchell Peters, and so this is one of the reasons why we also picked this. But this is Oscar Diaz playing Yell After the Rain on marimba. Actually, before we get there and they rearrange a lot of stuff, Ozzy and I have already started. Today we had a lesson, and we already started planning his recital for next year. So around this time next year, Ozzy's going to have a full recital. It's going to be a lot of jazz music, because Ozzy's a big jazzer, and also just a bunch of really cool, neat percussion stuff. So I invite you to put that on your calendar for next year already. And now going on to the next piece tonight. If you play the Wii, the Nintendo Wii, you'll hear this. Ozzy, at the beginning of the semester, wanted to do a Latin percussion piece for percussion ensemble, and we looked at probably 30 or 40 pieces, and we just didn't like it. And so I said, Ozzy, it's up to you. You can fix it. So he arranged it, and so he did some arranging and searching and scouring for scores, and so he also likes to arrange for the jazz band as well, so this is a good practice for him. And then he had the pleasure of teaching it to his peers. And I'm going to jump back on some toys and keep the rhythm, but this is the Me theme arranged by Oscar. Are we? Yeah. You want me to play or you got it?
You can go ahead and wheel away on anything.
Okay. Right.
We'll go through it twice and the last mission before we went back into the beginning.
We'll do it. Thank you for that. Next up is a duet. And so we have a freshman percussionist, Hannah, and our junior vibraphone soloist, Emily, are going together. And believe it or not, they are related in sororities. I think Emily's Hannah's big sister, and so they typically, last year we had in the past, we had Carly and Mackenzie. They did the AC/DC marimba duet, and that was for like a Greek talent show. And so we got inspired, and of course Emily wouldn't play the marimba, so we had to find a vibraphone marimba duet. And so this is a really good standard duet written by Julia Davia through Roloff. And so this is Through the Looking Glass with Hannah and Emily. Duet with female keyboard players. Hopefully next year they can do something, or we'll get another group of girls up there. But that's a really good thing. Our next piece is more of a novelty piece, so let's move some things around and grab our pulls and handles here. And this one is very similar to the things you saw on Stomp, which by the way is going to be in Peoria in November, I think, next year. They're back on Broadway tour. They've been around. I see all of them in Peoria. I've seen them in Davenport, and watched the DVD a million times. But this is a novelty piece. Like usually we do boom whackers, we've done body percussion, we've done lots of different things. And so I went to the hardware store, Lowe's, my favorite place, and bought them out of dowel rods. And we even went to Menards and picked up a couple extra dowel rods. And so this piece is called Stick Shtick, and it is written for pulls and handles here. And it's going to feature Two girls on the left and two guys on the right here. And we'll get going here in 1 second here. So this is our novelty piece for the night. Who knows what next year will bring? Everybody get some sheet music going. Thank you for that, and as they get ready for the xylophone rag solo with quartet, again, that was Stick Shtick, and if you like that, go see Stomp. Maybe we'll get a group from Monmouth and the area we can go see and hang out with them over in Peoria in November. But that's always a fun piece, and there's always fun in the fun novelty acts. Keep it kind of fresh here. As the group gets together here, we're going to bring back a piece that they performed Saturday night. Ozzy wanted to do a xylophone rag, and we also have another xylophone rag in the mix for next year already. And so this is the Whistler. This is from the Green Collection and is also arranged by Bob Becker from Nexus. What was it, last year or 2 years ago, we had a guest xylophone soloist come play our percussion ensemble with us, and that really got us into xylophone rags. And so you're going to hear Ozzy on xylophone, and you're going to hear the two marimbas behind him filled with a marimba quartet. And so this is the Whistler. Got a lot of moving of stuff around, but that was a great job on Ozzy's part. Everyone else, it's been a really good semester, and the good news is no one's graduated. And so, yeah, they're all coming back, so hopefully we'll grow and get some more kids and hit it again and expand our repertoire even more. But it's always fun to do different things, and it's really good to see as some of the students progress and mature, they take more of a assistant director role so they can run certain pieces. I don't have to sit there and teach them note for note, and sometimes that's a real good thing. And so our last piece is a fun, nifty piece, and I'm going to jump back there and play some percussion parts as well. But this piece is called Outbound. It's a roll-off selection, that we have, and so it features percussion and keyboards. Before I jump on stage, there's a jazz ensemble concert tomorrow night, right here at 7:30. 7? Just come at 7, you'll be early. Come at 7, there's a jazz ensemble concert. Ozzy and River are going to be participating in that. And then Saturday, Emily and the choirs are going to be over at Central Congregation in Galesburg doing the Von Williams. And then Sunday, there's a brass quartet concert here. And then we start all of our concerts. We kind of have the week off for dress rehearsal all next week. And then concert band and the Winds concert is the last Sunday of the month. And so that is April 29th on a Sunday, and that's here at 2 o'clock. I'll be conducting the concert band, and the Winds is right after that, and all of these percussionists will be there as well, so we'd love to see you. Ozzy, when's the pipe concert?
I believe it is in 2 Mondays.
2 Mondays from now. So yes, also, thanks to the pipe band, Dr. Tibbetts isn't here, but typically they use the stage on Monday nights for rehearsals, so I begged him, like, I need to have a concert. You need to let us be on stage. And so they found another place to play. Ozzy's also a pipe drummer. And so he's going to be in the pipe band. And so 2 Mondays, you can come back here, they'll do a full concert with the pipe band. And so enough of me talking. Let's get drumming. Good job, everyone. Congrats. Thanks for coming out. We'll socialize, but the sad news is we have to get all this stuff downstairs before we go home tonight. So thank you for coming. Join us for the rest of the concerts and have a good evening. Thanks, folks. Awesome. All right. Let's put it